Hey guys, it's Amy here with STKR Concepts. We're out at the Overland Expo West and we wanted to show off some of our really cool designs that we brought here to sell. So STKR is based in North Carolina. We're a product development company, and what we really try to do is bring cool, unique, useful products to the marketplace, and I think we've done that with our Fly telescoping series. So this series has everything from a 6.5-foot extendable light to our 8-foot extendable light. These extend up, friction fit, to our 10-foot, which is the largest in the line. The 10-foot has 2,600 lumens, huge battery pack on it for you, so really long runtime. And these lights are great because they're giving you a lot of power, but they also collapse down to a very small, compact mount. This weighs less than 5 pounds. The 8-foot and the 10-foot version, they even come with a wireless remote. So while you're using your light, you can control all the functions from your remote. You can go white mode, you can change to an amber mode, so a lot of different options there for you. But again, just so nice, easy to take with you anywhere. If you're looking for something a little bit more compact than the 8-foot version, our entry level here, the 6.5-foot, this collapses down. It only weighs a pound, so very lightweight, easy to pack with you. And you're still getting 700 lumens from that ring of LEDs here. So really cool, versatile products. The 8-foot version here, I'll just show you real quick. This one, the flashlight can be removed. So now you have an option to use a point light. You can hang this from the hooks, or you can attach it magnetically as well. And if you're carrying this with you, less than 2 pounds, your wireless remote stores right in the base here. So very versatile, awesome option, great for the campsite. So there's kind of something a little bit for everybody here with the Fly Telescoping Light series. And STKR Concepts has a lot of really great designs based in North Carolina. Again, if you want to pick anything up, www.stkrconcepts.com. Yeah, and reach out to us with any questions. We love all y'all. Thanks so much.